So, sugar is in a barrel. There is nothing apart from sugar right now. I decided to start this wash indoors because it's autumn outside, it's quite cold. Once the still is completed, I would like the wash to be ready for processing. And our next step is to add a little bit of hot water to dissolve the sugar. So we're not adding any yeast yet, just water and sugar. Mix it up, make sure that the sugar is dissolved, and add some cold water, bring the temperature to 24 degrees or so. Sugar and water in the barrel, and now we're gonna mix it with this contraption. All our sugar is mixed, and it's time to add some extra water. Now it's time to add some yeast into the mixture. I'm adding 2 packs of 250 grams each of turbo yeast and 500 grams pack of dry active baking yeast. This is it for now, and after a few minutes, maybe half an hour, we'll check it up again and see what's going on inside the barrel.